Hi, I'm Cypher, the designer of Vortex. Vortex is a revolutionary product for children. It is a smart and responsive robot that kids can play with and program. Using the Vortex and apps, kids can play different games, learn about robotics, and even create their own. Playing with Vortex is incredibly fun and easy thanks to its unified system and intuitive app. For example, the Bumping Fight is a sumo-style party game suitable for multiple players. The computer inside Vortex has sensors to detect motions like hitting, spinning, or being still. Vortex embraces new technologies and allows users to experience them. The Fugitive is a unique game with augmented reality and motion tracking technology. Children already love playing with our Vortex prototypes, and we can't wait for kids everywhere to get their own Vortex. Vortex is compatible with both iOS and Android devices and comes with an open SDK. Anyone who wants to develop a game for Vortex is empowered to do so because every Vortex is a dev kit. The only limit? Your imagination. Vortex's app allows kids to learn to program their robots in a fun, simple, and educational environment. By abstracting complicated actions and visualizing the process, the app teaches the basics of programming without any coding or advanced skill. Learning by doing has never been easier. Just drag, drop, and hit upload. That simple. We wanted to make a great product, and to do it, we gathered the best people from industrial design, user experience, hardware, software, and game development. For the past 2 years, Vortex has undergone countless revisions and improvements, and we know that only through this process can we create a product that won't disappoint our future inventors. Vortex is built on Arduino, an open-source hardware platform. It can see and speak by using infrared, grayscale, and sound speakers. Vortex can find its way around obstacles, detect lines, and report back to you. We've pre-installed the program and done the assembling. Vortex is fun right out of the box. Just open the app, switch it on, and start exploring. Vortex is also designed to be highly customizable with colorful parts, stickers, and maps. We've come a long way in creating Vortex, and now we need your help to make it real. Thank you.
Hey, honey, time to sleep?
I wanted a good keyboard, and there weren't any out there. I figured, well, how hard could this be? And then we built the best keyboard we possibly could. It's not what you'd expect from a keyboard, but people love it. Creating a keyboard is kind of a weird thing. It's been an obsession. Hi, I'm Jesse Vincent. I'm co-founder and CTO of Keyboardio.
I'm Kaya Decker. I'm the CEO of Keyboardio. I'm also married to Jesse. Most people are typing 8+ hours a day on uncomfortable, flat plastic boxes that are pretty much the same as they were 100 years ago. You deserve something better.
And a musician's not like, well, I'll just take the plastic guitar off the shelf and it'll be fine when I'm staking my entire career and my, my professional everything on this. Like, they're really thinking about it.
I found a bunch of research about better keyboard layouts, how your hands work, and what actually matters in keyboard design. And every keyboard design in the last 20 years has flat out ignored it. So we built a good keyboard.
The Model 1 is different. It takes some getting used to, but it's worth it.
The Model 1 is that great sort of tool that supports the way you want to work and then gets out of the way and lets you do the kind of work that you couldn't have done without it.
And I love the way my fingertips kind of rest in the keys and how easy the keys are to reach.
We're trying to build a keyboard you'll enjoy using for years. We have this gorgeous maple wood enclosure. We've sculpted the keycaps to guide your fingers to the right keys. And yeah, it lights up. The LEDs that glow from under each key are actually totally customizable and programmable. Originally, the butterfly shape was an accident, but we love it. It feels warm. It feels friendly.
I bring the keyboard out in public and people look at it and say, "Can I touch it?" It's a keyboard. You're supposed to touch it. That's the whole point. Up till now, we've been designing and designing and designing and testing and testing and testing. We've made dozens of prototypes before we liked one enough to call it the Model 1. and now we're going to make a few thousand. I spent most of my career building open source software. It was important to us that we build an amazing product that wasn't going to be locked down. Most products get worse over time. Open products get better.
Because it's open source hardware, I know that I can customize it to my needs and then share those customizations with the community.
You're going to get firmware source code. You're going to get schematics for the electronics. You're going to get a screwdriver. Even if you never touch a line of code, plenty of other typists will. And their work will make your keyboard better.
This is a tool that I can use over the next 20 years of my career because it's going to grow with me.
And so now it's possible for us to come to all of you and share with you what we're making. Thank you for paying attention. It means a lot to us.
What would you think of a device that just lets you simply create? Create objects. Yes, real objects. Objects you need for your work. Objects you need for your home. Objects that support your music. Objects that let you express your style. Objects you enjoy, which you can play with. Or objects you just need for yourself. All your ideas can become objects very easily. You just need to imagine them and print them. Just like when you print a document. What if this device was affordable and simple? Welcome to the Lumi Pocket, the first 3D printer which is incredibly easy to use, with a high printing quality and really cost effective. There are several solutions on the market today with different features, but none of them is both affordable and intuitive to use, giving you such a high printing quality. It's precisely this that makes the Lumi Pocket different. Lumi Pocket is the result of the hard work of a passionate group of makers.
Hi, I'm Davide. I'm the founder of Lumi Industries.
I'm Manuela. I take care of purchase, marketing and sales.
My name is Dario. I'm a software engineer.
I am Marco. I am a developer.
We started last year proposing the prototype of a compact 3D printer with a crowdfunding campaign. Now, thanks to the support of all the bakers, we are now a startup and we are going to introduce to the market our new model, the Lumi Pocket.
It's plug and play, provided with cross-platform software, so no matter if you use Windows, OS X or Linux, you will always have a highly intuitive user experience. The Lumi Pocket uses technology involving photosensitive resin that solidifies with light, This is done by projecting each layer of the object that you're printing on a moving tray inside the printing vat. Projection is obtained by an ordinary external DLP projector. This ensures fast and high quality prints, even on small objects with plenty of detail. And using only one projector, the LumiPocket can also be set up to print up to 3 objects simultaneously, even with different materials and colours. A fantastic feature which is unique to the LumiPocket. The LumiPocket has been created with a special eye on design, in collaboration with a team of design experts for reliable mechanical functionality, compactness and beauty. And guess what? The cost of the LumiPocket does not exceed that of a mid-range multifunction domestic printer. What can you do with LumiPocket?
LumiPocket can be used in the dentistry or medical field.
Printing bones or a tooth with ceramic-based resin.
Like this.
Print some games of your choosing. You could print some household furniture.
We are developing a text braille converter for blind people. You can use it in the jewelry sector with thermofusible resin to allow the fusion of an object with precious metal.
Who can use LumiPocket?
Anybody will be able to use our printer.
You just need to connect it to the computer, project and print.
We are preparing some templates from which you will be able to choose. It's gonna be really easy. You don't need to know anything about modeling.
You can get LumiPocket already assembled or as an assembly kit.
It has been developed to be fully compatible with innovative input devices such as the Leap Motion.
You could choose from several different designs, which you will be able to find on 3D search engines, which will also be embedded in our software.
LumiPocket is easy to use, simple and low cost.
Reliable.
It's cool.
Compact and portable.
Very nice.
Now we need your support to bring a LumiPocket to everyone and allow us to continue developing 3D solutions always tailored to your needs. Thank you.
LumiPocket, 3D printing for everyone.
morning.
Morning.
Set the drapes to eco mode.
Yeah, it was getting cold. Hey, babe, you almost ready?
Yeah, just get as soon as you know.
Okay.
I'm ready. Okay, I'll get the Uber, but we gotta stop. I gotta get my dry cleaning.
Okay.
I was born in Tanzania, and then moved around a few different countries.
I hope so, fingers crossed. You think they're gonna win? Hey, you wanna see the view?
Yeah, sure.
Check this out, it's automatic.
Wow, that's crazy.
Not so.
Hey Indiegogo, my name is Trung Pham. I'm the founder and CEO of Access. I'm very excited to be launching the Access Gear with you today. When we came up with the idea for the Access Gear, we wanted to solve the simple issue of motorizing your existing window shades. But the solutions we found were very complicated to install, difficult to buy, and extremely expensive. We wanted to design a beautiful yet affordable product that could be installed in seconds. Once installed, it could be controlled from your smartphone or even on the device itself and would integrate with the leading smart home platforms. For a better part of the year, our team has been working extremely hard to wrap up development and set up our supply chain. But now we need your support to make this a reality. Any help would truly go a long way. On behalf of Access and myself, we thank you.
No matter who your family is, we all want to keep the people we love safe. And that's why we made Salt, the first safe gun for a safe home.
Hi, I'm Adam. This is Andy. And we're the creators of Salt. Salt is a gun, but it's not like any gun that you've ever seen. It was designed around the belief that a firearm shouldn't have to take a life in order to protect a life. From that simple idea, we started by completely rethinking the bullet. Instead of lead, Salt was designed to shoot a specialized round filled with a powerful toxin. So instead of killing the target, Salt opens up on impact in a cloud that instantly causes respiratory and visual distress. So while an intruder or a curious child would be incapacitated, the encounter wouldn't be fatal.
This rethink also lets Salt be used not only offensively, but defensively as well. So if an intruder is kicking down your door, Salt allows you to shoot the area around it before the danger is on top of you. This creates a protective cloud of toxin between you and the intruder before he's ever a threat to you or your family.
Our last big idea was to make Salt easy to use for everyone. So we replaced the violent bang of black powder with the silent power of compressed air. The result is a fear-free user experience. So the only person that should have anything to be scared of is an intruder. And that's Salt, a safe gun for a safe home.
So now all we need is you. The testing, the R&D, the prototyping is all done, and we're ready to begin production.
But Salt can't be made without you, without all of us really wanting a better way to keep the people we love safe. So if you're as intrigued by the ideas as we are, we'd love to make you one. Just click our support button, and together, we can make the world just a little bit safer.
Well, crap. No way around it. This sucks. But it's not the end of the world, because I got this little thing. Patch and Ride. It's a new tool that makes having a flat tire suck way less. It's a quick and permanent solution to fix just about any flat. And here's the real kicker. You don't even have to take off the wheel. I used to be just like you, shelling out big bucks for tubes and tires regardless of how bad the damage was. Occasionally, I'd even try it on my own. Maybe you do too if you're into that whole self-punishment thing. Not the cleanest job in the world either. Basically, I murdered my bike. Let me show you how it works. Remove the cap from the Patch and Ride tool. Insert it directly into the hole. Pull back the slider, then push forward. Remove the tool, then pump your tire full of air, and you're up and running, or rolling. And Patch and Ride works for all types of tires. Road bikes, mountain bikes, cruisers, kids bikes, clincher and tubular tubes, even jogging stroller tires. Pretty much anything with an inner tube. Patch and Ride's cleaner for the environment too. With Patch and Ride, you reduce your carbon footprint by patching instead of tossing. That's pretty great. Getting a flat tire sucks, but Patch and Ride makes it suck less. Patch and Ride.
Hi, I'm Jing Zhou. I'm here to introduce you the next-gen bracelet Elemoon. Elemoon is the first jewelry that blends the latest technology with your own unique style. I grew up in China and have lived here in the US. One thing I noticed is that girls in China and girls in the US have so much in common. It's hard to find an accessory can match all our outfits. We can never find our phone. We don't want to be rude and take calls during a date or meeting, but what if it's an emergency? Combining both function and fashion for many situations, we invented Elemoon, a stylish bracelet for women all over the world. We've brought together a top team of designers and engineers. We've drawn inspiration from Native American jewelry, impressionist paintings, and new materials from top labs. Elemoon combines one of the smallest sensor and chipboards, a rainbow of LEDs with a special ivory polymer surface and copper band. Need to match that gorgeous dress? Take a picture with the app, and Elemoon's lights will create the perfect color match. You can even design your own patterns. Can't find your phone? Just rub Elemoon. Its sensors and Bluetooth technology will set your phone off. Don't want to miss an important call or text message? Elemoon can let you know and even display customized designs depending on who it is. We're a team of creative, free-spirited people. We've put a lot of love and effort in developing the device, and we need your help to take it to production. Don't miss out, join us, and be the first to express your style with Elemoon.
We believe that technology should be seamless, and it should give you more from the experiences you love. Our technology fundamentally enhances human capability.
Call from Sarah. Turn left in 20 miles.
It's just the new evolution of the story.
Yeah.
I think this is hot. That feels like tomorrow. It really, really does. It feels like tomorrow.
You've taken all the electronics out of the high-tech cars and just put it right here. Honestly, it's going to change everything.
When you put on a Scully helmet, you get essentially an ecosystem.
As soon as you turn something into a platform, then suddenly you get a level of innovation that you had never thought about before.
Being a professional motorcycle racer takes a lot of fun away from riding on the street. But this could make it fun again.
It will make your riding safer.
With its high-speed microprocessor and operating system, it's the smartest motorcycle helmet ever imagined. Scully is the future. Join the revolution.